Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and wherever time you watch this video. In this video, I would like to present my mind map with the title Innovative Teaching Strategies in EFL, English Foreign Language. This presentation is based on a journal article published in the English Teaching and Linguistic Journal by IGA PT Novitasari Parage. The purpose of this presentation is to explain the concept of the innovative teaching strategies in teaching English as foreign language, including the definition, the learning orientation, the characteristic, the type of the strategies, the assessment, and the learning outcomes. And then I will show my mind map in here. Okay, you guys can see the mind map. Okay, let's us begin with the first part. The first part is the innovative teaching strategies. Innovative teaching strategies are student-centered approaches designed to make English learning more engaging, effective, and meaningful compared to the traditional teaching or teacher-centered method. In traditional learning, teachers usually dominate the classroom by explaining the material, while students passively listen and take notes. Like the teacher is talking and give the material, and the student only write at their notebook. However, innovative teaching strategies shift the focus from the teacher to student. So this innovative teaching strategies is switched from the focus to the teacher become focused to the student. In this approach, students are not only recipients of knowledge but active participants who build their understanding through experience, interaction, and practice. Therefore, innovative teaching strategies aim to create a learning environment where students learn by doing, not just by listening. So in this environment, the student not only listening from the teacher talk, but doing and having some experience like that. Now let's continue to the next part. The second part is the learning orientation, student-centered learning. The main learning orientation of innovative teaching strategies is student-centered learning. This means the student play an active role in the learning process. They are encouraged to interact, collaborate, and use English in real and meaningful contexts. Instead of focusing only on grammar explanation or memorization, students learn English through activities such as discussion, group work, problem solving, and project. So in this kind of teaching method, the student will have many experience not only from hearing teacher from listening teacher, but they do all the thing so they can train their skill. This learning orientation helps students develop not only language skill but also confidence in using English in real life situation, because in this era, this time many students is scared that they make mistake when talking in English. So this kind of teaching method make them more confident in using English. In short, innovative learning focus on how students learn, not only what they learn. So the simple thing is this learning orientation is make students train their skill not only from listening, because if the student only listening from the teacher, they not gonna train their skill. Let's continue to the third part, the next part. Okay, let's talk about the third part, characteristic of innovative learning. So we're gonna talk about the characteristic of this teaching method. Innovative learning has several key characteristics. First, is designed to develop four essential skill, namely critical thinking, creativity, communication, and collaboration. So the characteristic of this learning is to develop four of these essential. The second is innovative learning activities are interactive and contextual. Students learn English through meaningful tasks that relate to real situation. And the third is learning is collaborative. Students work together, share ideas, and learn from each other. So there are three innovative learning. There are three key of this innovative learning. The first is develop four essential skills like critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and communication. The second is innovative learning activity is interactive and contextual. And the third is learning is collaborative. This characteristic make learning more engaging and effective, especially for EFL, English for foreign language. Learner who need more opportunities to practice using English actively. Okay, let's continue to the next part. Okay, so we're gonna talk about the fourth part, the type of innovative teaching strategies. Okay, this part is kind of long, but I am gonna simplify it as simply as I can. There are three main types of innovative teaching strategies commonly used in EFL classroom. The first is cooperative learning, the second is problem-based learning, and the third is project-based learning. First, let's talk about the cooperative learning. Cooperative learning is a strategy where students work together in small groups to achieve learning goals. Through group work, students can share ideas, help each other, and develop communication and teamwork skills. This strategy encourages students to take responsibility not only for their own learning but also for their group member. However, cooperative learning requires clear rules and good classroom management to ensure that all students participate actively. So, in this cooperative learning, student is trained to work together in a team, in a group, like that. Okay. The second is, let's talk about the problem-based learning. Problem-based learning focus on solving real-world problems. In this strategy, students are given a problem related to real-life situation and asked to find solution using their knowledge and language skills. This approach helps students think critically, apply what they have learned, and understand the relevance of English real context. Problem-based learning is effective in developing critical thinking skills, although it requires careful planning from teacher. Let's take an example like I have a student named Ari and I asked Ari, can you explain me why in Indonesian it's really hard to people speak in English clearly? And then, but you must explain to me in English. So with that, he's gonna really think that train his critical thinking and train his memory to memorize new vocabulary. And the last point is the project-based learning. Project-based learning involves students working on a project to produce a real product such as presentation, poster, video, or written report. This strategy allows students to use English in authentic and meaningful ways. Students are responsible for planning, organizing, and completing the project collaboratively. Project-based learning helps students develop communication skills, creativity, problem-solving abilities, and independence. Just like what I do today, I make a presentation, a video presentation. This is the example of project-based learning. Okay, let's talk about the next part. Okay, let's talk about the next part, the assessment, authentic assessment. In innovative learning, assessment focus on authentic assessment. Authentic assessment measure student ability to apply knowledge in real situation, not just their ability to memorize information. Example of authentic assessment include presentation, project, group work, and problem-solving tasks. This type of assessment evaluates student communication skill, collaboration, and problem-solving tasks. and critical thinking. This assessment become part of the learning process itself. If you guys see, the assessment is really linked with the type of innovative teaching, the cooperative learning, problem-based learning, project-based learning. Because in this type of this method, we must see the student ability to apply knowledge what he got from the teacher. So we can see what his skill, like we can see like Ari is now can speak clearly, and then I have a student named Salsa. At the first, Salsa is cannot speak loudly and clearly, but after the study he can speak clearly in English, like that. And then let's talk about the next part. Okay, the next part is the benefit of and the learning outcomes. Innovative teaching strategies provide many benefits for students. First, they increase student motivation and engagement in learning English. The second, they improve language mastery because students actively use English in meaningful contexts. And the third is innovative learning prepares students with essential skills needed in digital and global era. Overall, innovative teaching strategies help students become more active, confident, and competent language user. Not like the traditional learning style that the student only listening what the teacher say and not not practice. In this learning method, the student will practice. So the student get a new material and then the student do the practice. This really increase their ability. And then let's move to the closing. In conclusion, innovative teaching strategies in EFL focus on student-centered learning activity, participation, collaboration, and real-world language use, not only by hearing and noting. By implementing strategies such as cooperative learning, problem-based learning, and project-based learning, teacher can create a more effective and meaningful English learning experience. Thank you for watching this presentation. I hope it is useful and informative. Thank you.